though. Okay, it going down right here. Hold that nigga back over there. Niggas finna get fucked up. So let y'all niggas go. We gon' get fucked up. I'ma let you know. Rockin' niggas on their head. No problem. You don't want no problem, nigga. Shut up.
Tell 'em, you can get crunk in the club. Roll with your hood, get stumped in the club. Or you can get bugged in the club. Keep up dubs in the club. Nigga, we don't give up. But you don't want no problem. But you don't want no problem. But you don't want no problem. Me could be a me, we be real to deep. Hey, you don't wanna be dead in the streets. Mouth full of blood and soul full of heat. Why you tryna act hard as hell and you know damn well you don't wanna feel the shell? Me got bit down by law. Gun to my head, press dead to the wall. I got big balls and bullets like baseballs. Spit your dome piece of straight knock out all y'all. Hell no, them boys don't play. Straight nuts in your face, put your pistol away. I don't piece the weed to my head and pray for the folks in the club that's scared. Got a problem with that? You can get crunk in the club. Roll with your hood, get stumped in the club. Or you can get bugged in the club. Keep up dubs in the club. Nigga, we don't give up. But you don't want no problem. But you don't want no problem. But you don't want no problem. Me could be a me, we be built to deep. Hold them back, hold them back. Man, fuck that nigga. Fuck that, hold them back. Gotta push that nigga. Hold them back, hold them back. Push that nigga. Fuck that, hold them back. Ain't short of your song. God damn it, it's on. Keep popping in my face and get popped in the dome. Long rush motherfuckers from my birth. If a nigga fall, that's when shit gets worse. The problem with you niggas is you just talk too much. Man, swing on a nigga and fuck his ass up. Or you can walk on by with your mess in the tub. I'll be obliged if you really won't get crunk. In the A, we don't play them games. We just stack and slang and load up the things. You can buck if you wanna and catch a bowl.